subscribe. Always subscribe. We need you to subscribe. Another job site. That is a 308 with a 3-foot bucket and a thumb, a hydraulic thumb, thankfully. Yeah, it's supposed to be a 315, but that's just the way it goes sometimes. So this property, the clients actually are building their forever home on. The yellow is the boundary, so don't go past yellow. And then red, right there, red is not to be touched. So this is going to be the driveway right here, front yard kind of area. Actually, I think right about here is going to be like the edge of the driveway. Right here's where they turn. So we're going to fire up the 308, get it in here, start knocking some stuff down. Let's do an hour check-in. There's the hour meters. 1590 and a half. All right, and this one, come out. Thank you. 37.1. Oh. All right, so I just want to show you guys why the 308 isn't really a big deal on here. That is a 10-inch pine, shoved it over like it was nothing, because this is the ground here. Knowing where you're digging in Florida is important, and it allows you to pick the right machine for the job. The 315 obviously wasn't available, so we're still gonna be able to be productive as 315 with 308 because of soil conditions and because we're not scooping. We're just pushing trees over and stacking them. So I'm just gonna start knocking stuff over, then we'll kill the excavator, get the skid steer, put them into piles. Well, I hit you with a tree. Are you okay? You're okay. All right. Whew. log next to that tree. I swear from across the property that looked like an eagle. Well, this happened. Got it all jammed up in there. So now we gotta unjam her in there. We'll pull on it. I don't think it's gonna do nothing though. So we're gonna get the saw out. It's all sappy. Don't really want to be covered. Hey, where are you guys going? You see why I brought GoPro so much? I don't even know what happened. We're gonna cut it first. Really? All right. I guess we'll just finish the cut, huh? Why am I always having to cut stuff out of my machines? They want some Florida firewood? Oh, wait. What we're gonna do is we're gonna walk this Caterpillar excavator over to that tree, knock it over, go to the next tree, knock it over, and we're gonna follow the, we're just basically gonna push everything away from this protected area, punch the rest of the trees down over there, and then we'll come back and pick everything up once all the trees are done. Today everything has to be on the ground. Machine's doing something weird with the idle. You'll hear it idle down for some reason, and then it gets real jumpy for a second, and then it will actually idle back up. Right there, it idled back up. I don't know. And there, it idled down. Now, let's put this tree on the ground. Can't see. Got enough. Put this sucker down. That's about it for range. Almost hit the proprietary line now. Get out of that hole. You gotta get this one out now. Come on. Hanging out on our toes. We got her out though. And then we just blade it back in. Get over. Good enough. Let's try and drag this big girl out. Skidder mode. Nope. We're a little too close to get a bite. Pushed forward on the stick to drive forward. Alright, skidder mode engaged. Y'all use skidder mode? You got a blade, you can. Put the log on the blade, squeeze it against the blade with the bucket, drag it backwards. Probably maybe not a good idea for big stuff, but for a little baby thing. This way with this tree. The goal is to get all this cleaned up today and put at the road. So we will see. I don't know how much film I'm going to get done, mostly because it's gonna be a hot day. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be a long day in and out of the machine, cutting, moving. First things first though, we gotta clean this windshield. I like to just spray the best glass cleaner in the world on. It's called glass cleaner. It's real creative. And let it sit for a second. It's like scrubbing bubbles, but for your windows. Let it do the scrubbing for you. All right, good enough. Let's go. I like these birds because they mate for life, and that's kind of romantic. So if you kill one, you gotta kill the other one. They also taste like filet mignon, apparently. So I think Alabama is open season year-round on these things, but they're cool. I don't see a reason to mess with them. They're like little emus. So of all days to spider web. Now. Old grapples only around here, boy. Whoa! Oh, these holes come out of nowhere. This is the holes where the stumps are, or were. It's not graded. This might be technically a little much, but you know, that's how we do it. Alright! Time to take you to school. This is how you root rake. Or I'm sorry, this is how you flip debris. So you've root raked, let's say you've raked this right here. You've raked this out of the ground and you put it up in your windrow, but there's a lot of dirt in it. As you can see, dirt, right? That needs to be green and brown from sticks, not from dirt. So a lot of guys like to go up and squeeze it and shake it. You don't need to do that. Even with a regular root grapple, just touch it and pick up a little and drop it. Touch it, pick up a little and drop it. And technically it's called flipping your windrow, but you don't need to flip it like this, like boom, right? Because then all you do is you take dirt from the bottom and put it on top. So all you do, just do this, just bump it. Let the dirt fall to the ground while your debris stays in your rake up top. Now this is a lot easier with like a better rake, but all you do is that, you back up, you do this, just gotta touch it. Literally, the less forward progress that you make while still picking up, the better. Okay? It should almost look, and this was a real mind bender when I first heard it. And I was like, what the fuck, you're retarded. It should almost look like it's not moving. Like you shouldn't be chasing a windrow across a job site. It should just be right, almost in the same exact spot. And then, once you've done it through your windrow, leave it. It don't sound silly, leave it. Let the sun dry it out more. As soon as that colder, moist dirt underneath dries out, it lets go of the root, it lets go of the material a lot easier, and it actually will get cleaner. So this is still needs one more flipping. Really didn't open it up early enough in the day. I just kind of popped it out because it started raining. But that's how you flip a windrow with a rake. Not around too much. I'll probably put a new chain on it as well when I get home. Nah, who am I kidding? I'll do it in the morning when I get here. Don't drop the skid steer keys. Oh boy. Yeah. We got the trailer this morning, but you know what that means? Oops. That means that I'm expecting to take the machine home today. Well, we got all the trees moved, loaded up. We gotta go mulch tomorrow and be back after that. I think I'm gonna be at the end of next week to finish the raking here. Who knows what Lacey will do with the schedule, but boom. Man, it looks like a bomb went off. A lot cleaner than it used to be, but I hear someone talking. I don't know. Anyways, this pile's huge. Get to it. So that's probably it for this video. I'll probably do another one when I do the raking portion, just so this video can get edited. But we appreciate you guys. Thank you, and you know, subscribe. Peace. I actually mulched that. The whole fence line in the back. Man, it's gotta be, I think, 2 years. I think it's actually on the channel. It might be. I know another lot in this neighborhood that we did is on the channel. Mostly because someone asked me if they could use a screenshot from that video, which is the only reason I remember it. So anyways, I'm back to headed home.